Hi, I'm Kim Bogle with Keller Williams Realty and the Evelo team. Welcome to my newest listing at 348 Evans Street in downtown Indianapolis. Come join me for a tour.
This beautiful new construction home has 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and is located in Bolton Square at Central State. Downstairs features a flex room, fully upgraded custom kitchen with a wet bar, stainless steel appliances, a spacious walk-in pantry, and a half bath. There are large windows, fixture upgrades, a security system, and 9-foot ceilings throughout this well-curated open floor plan. Plus, some furniture can stay as well. The living room is at the rear of the home and base of the stairs. The upstairs showcases the second and third bedrooms, second full bathroom, laundry room, and primary suite. There is a large walk-in closet, dual vanity, glass shower, and tray ceilings in the primary suite. Back downstairs, you can enjoy your large fenced backyard from your covered porch, and you also have a detached double garage. The home sits in front of a park, is minutes from food trucks, the popular Mansion Society, and has a view of downtown. Listed at $370,000, contact me for info or a showing.